Yeah, it really did. I wasn't expecting that at all. I wasn't even expecting to be nominated, so the whole thing's a bit of a whirlwind, really. It's great. Really, really happy.
And you are now immortal in the eyes of the engineering world. How does that feel?
It's a little bit nerve-wracking. I've got a lot of time to develop things, so hopefully I'll have to really develop something worthwhile and keep going with the project I'm on with at the moment.
What do you need now from the engineering community? I mean, you're looking for funding?
It's mainly funding. I've got a lot of systems set up in place and a really good network to actually catapult the device into the next stage. I mean, even today I've been around looking for financing deals and funding. So I think it's going to happen.
In terms of the people you're rubbing shoulders with, some of the great names of engineering, the great British engineers, you represent a new generation, don't you? It's the dawn of a golden age of engineering, and you epitomise that in many ways.
Yeah, I mean, I've just finished and graduated at University of Brunel. So, you know, there was constant links there, but no, it's really good, and I hope that there's many more future designers and engineers that put in a similar position.
When did you know you wanted to be an engineer? Did you know what an engineer was?
Engineering's always been in the family business. I've always been fiddling with parts, mechanical things. I've been at play, seeing how it works. I think it was inset right from the beginning, really, and I didn't have any other choice, if I'm honest. It was always there.
And what do you say to other young people out there that might see you now as a bit of an iconic figure? What message to them?
Well, maybe not iconic, but really just go with it. Stick with the engineering, and stick with the ideas that you have. The idea I had was ambitious. Not many people were that well receiving of it, so you just got to stick with your conviction and see the projects through.
Sam, what does the future hold now for you after this?
More work, a lot more work to really solidify this now, really. But the wave power project is well underway.
Tell me about the wave power project. Is it something that really can transform the energy supply in nations?
It might not transform, the whole energy supply, but it's a contributing energy supply, which is important to note, and it's from a renewable source, which is also important to note. I've just been to a presentation at the Royal College of Art about sustainable energy sources and renewables, and the feeling there is that it's got to contribute more. Renewables has to play a bigger part in the energy production scene.
How quickly can you roll this thing out? When are we going to...
I've been asked that a lot today with the funding. I envisage in a year to a year and a half I'll be finishing the job I already have and working full-time on it to really roll it out, but it's something I'm really passionate about and driven, so I put every minute I've got into it.
5 years, 10 years, are we going to be turning on a light,
I'd like to think so. Yeah, I'd like to think so.
Powered by you?
Development promising and extra funding and the commercial platform from which it'll be stood on, hopefully, yes. I'm looking for investments from individuals who are interested in the project and can support and offer expertise.